coming to you from my windowsill. I was going to vlog today as part of the process to our new exciting announcement, but our power went out and I didn't want to risk using my phone's percentage, so I'm starting a little bit late today. It was raining this morning and that probably caused the power to go out. I just finished one of my lessons. Luckily the power came back by the time I had a class. I'm going to be teaching in person some private dance tutoring today. Thought it'd be fun to take you around with me as I prepare for our big move. We're moving. Me and Steven are moving to our first house and we're super excited. So I thought I would document this whole process of packing and painting, all the kind of stuff that's going to be fun to look back on later. And I figured what better a time to start than right now when we're still here a week away. It is exactly a week today that we will be sleeping in our new house. So exciting. Definitely beginning to feel like fall already. I love to light this. Oops, I just blew it out. Oops. This maple pumpkin donut candle, which I accidentally just blew out, but it smells really nice and it just makes me feel autumnal. I want to do a little haul of some of the Halloween decorations that I got the other day. I mean, I had to. How cool are these? I mean, I got a pair because they only had two. I figured Halloween night, perfect. I got a lot of other things like candle cover that will look really nice with tea lit candles, and I got this little one that's like a little Luna. I got pretty excited the other day looking through the mall, looking through different stores for some Halloween decorations for the house. It's so exciting. I know it has nothing to do with the actual move, and Halloween's like a month away, but Halloween's my favorite time of the year by far, and I figured what better time than right now to start looking at some Halloween things. I've been using this thing every day too when I'm going to the dance studio, and it's got little rats, little jack-o'-lanterns, cats, cauldrons, hats, spiders, apparently every other kind of thing for my coffee. I love it. It's purple and it's Halloween. It's like my two favorite things put together. So surprisingly, this box fills most of my clothes or holds most of my clothes. This is the status right now as of today with some leftover things. Okay. Take two. I already recorded this part, but I just realized I didn't hit record, and when I did, it was only for like 2 seconds, so I'm gonna have to do this again. But anyways, let's go through a little haul. I'm gonna be going to take a shower, but I figured I'd show you all of the things that I got at Dollar Tree and Dollarama for the new house. So first things first, I already showed you these wine glasses. I mean, look at how cool they are. They remind me of Corpse Bride. Emily from Corpse Bride, comment down below if you are a fan of Tim Burton like I am. I'm a stan. These are the wine glasses that I found at Dollar Tree. We have my lovely friend here, Fred. He is glow in the dark, of course, and he actually hangs, so he's kind of glowing right now. It's really dark in this room right now because it's raining. I also already showed you guys these for the candles. Oh my gosh! And these, I showed you that already. I also got this little ghost, which you could probably make your own, but it was only 50 cents, so I figured, what the heck, I was already there. He's got his little eyes and his little face, and he just kind of floats and hangs. We're gonna put that in the front somewhere. These, I wanted to be the hostess with the mostest Halloween hunt. So I got these tongs, these salad tongs that are skeletal hands. I'm obsessed with them. I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed. Out tape, which is actually quite a bit. I only got one. It's 30 feet. That's a lot of tape, surprisingly. Okay, that's a lot. Everything in here came to $23.94. I got this little tea towel that says, have a spooktacular Halloween. Again, being the hostess with the mostest, I got these little rings for everybody, and they're a combination of skull and bat wings. Again, being the hostess with the mostest, I got all these. I used to get these all the time when I was in school and like hand them out to friends. My mom used to get them. She actually got them for me last year when I was still in Romania, or 2 years ago now. She got these for me to hand out to my friends. How cute is she? I also got these stickers that I love putting on the mirror and on the window. Me and my roommate actually used to like yeet them at each other in our apartment. We usually put these on the fish tanks too, just for some extra fun. The last thing I wanted to show was this idea that I got off this girl on TikTok. I'll put her link down below in my description box, and I'll also put her TikTok here. But basically, her and her husband made a little advent calendar kind of idea for Halloween. So every day from 1, I only had 25 cards, so I actually did 1 to 25. I have a movie. So first would be Insidious, and then corresponding to that movie on the pink card is a Halloween or fall activity, which would be baking pumpkin bars on the first, and those two would go together, and then we go to number 2. So she actually had a really good TikTok where she put all of her movies and all of her activities on a list, and I did the same thing, but I picked my own movies, my own lists, just because I wanted to be more personal, and I used some of her things, of course, because like I didn't know 30 movies off the top of my head or 30 activities, so I used hers for inspiration. So I will put her link down below, but I'll keep you posted. And I just kept it in a little box. She kept it in envelopes, but I just got the little cards, the cue cards from Walmart. I'm about to go shower and get ready to leave for the dance studio, so I'll catch you in the flip side, on the flip side, on the flip side. What if, I just had a thought, what if instead of Vlogmas, you did Halloween Vlogween? No. Vlog. That sounds terrible. But you know what I mean? What if that was a thing? Comment down below if you would watch that. One of the least likable parts of my job, which is arguably the best part of my job, is that as a dance teacher, I pretty much live in activewear. The bad part about that is it's really stinky. And I feel like I never get to wear real clothes. I'm just consistently in activewear. And when I get out of the shower, you know the feeling of getting out of the shower and putting on leggings, putting on a tight sports bra, all that. It's not fun. Luckily, it's getting colder outside, so I can wear a little bit of a baggier sweater and get away with it. The leggings are still a no for me though. I'm not a legging girl. I like big baggy jeans. In the beginning of the pandemic, I didn't really have much of a skincare routine, and I was constantly getting mask knee. So I started to wash my face right before wearing a mask. Even if it was in the morning and I already washed my face, I washed it right before because there's so much dirt and debris around that can get clogged into your pores. And if you're wearing a mask, it just feels like it just clogs everything even more. So I started to wash my face right before work when I was working retail and wearing a mask for up to 9 hours a day. And it made such a difference. I hardly have breakouts now. To wash my face right before wearing the mask and then also right after. Especially as a dance teacher, when I'm in the studio, I don't take my mask off at all. Just for their safety, I keep my mask on the whole time. And when you're not only talking the whole time as a teacher and guiding and teaching, you're also sweating like a lot when you're dance teaching because you're showing, you're jumping around, you're chasing after kids. So I was sweating a lot and collecting a lot of dirt and debris in my mask, and it was pooling right here, and I was getting breakouts along here. So I've started actually bringing baby wipes as well, or face wipes, really gentle ones. I don't like face wipes on my face because I have super sensitive skin. It always ends up tearing my skin a little bit and I feel like I'm burning. So I just take really gentle wipe. I really try to keep it a clean surface, really. So I just wash my face, putting up my hair. I'm not gonna do a bun because it's only one girl today. It's a private and it's only for an hour and 15. So also really nice being a dance teacher, and then I get to put my hair up all the time. So if it's a little greasy, I can just put it right up. I was also gonna say that I don't have to wear makeup now with the mask. It's kind of a blessing. Like, I don't have to wear concealer, foundation. I didn't have to before, but I just felt more comfortable with a little lipstick. But I've saved so much money on lipstick this year. I used to be like known for wearing red lipstick or like maroon lipstick during class, you know, just to feel a little bit of a zhuzh. But I haven't spent anything on lipstick this year. I've held on to the same 2 lipsticks for the entire year. And I know you're supposed to change them out, but I've literally worn them like less than 10 days probably within the year. Let's go. I was just freaking out because I was like, where's the fish? And he was in the rock. How cute is that? We also got a snail because, believe it or not, that whole back was like completely covered in algae. And yeah, I know it's a little bit dirty here. That's just from water like dripping out when we're feeding him. But we got a snail and he cleaned it up so well. We also got a snail for this one, for the frog, because the same thing. It was just collecting so much algae. And we thought this snail was dead. But we had this happen before in that the snail didn't move for days and it was upside down. And then all of a sudden it moved. So we left him. He's alive, miraculously. And this is what we're dealing with. Excuse me, sir.